Sinha. So friends, did you remember in the past few videos I have shown you how to create the solar system simulation? So friends, this time I will show you how to create the solar system animation using advanced codings. In the past few videos I have shown you how to create it with simple coding. So friends, this time I will show you how to create it with advanced codings. Are you all ready? Great, now let's start. So friends, first we don't need the default sprite, so we will delete it. Now friends, we will go to the backdrops. I'll select paint option, then I will delete the main backdrop, then I will go to bitmap, then I will select the paint option, then I will set it to black. Okay, now here's the black backdrop. So friends, now I will go to the upload option, then I will upload my sprite. Sun, I will upload sun. Okay, first. It's importing. So friends, here you can see sun. As you can see, sun is very big in size. So we will change the size to 15. Okay. Now let's see. Now it's perfect. Now I will go to the backdrop. Then I will choose a backdrop. Okay, I will go down. Then I will pick X, Y grid. So friends, at which position will be perfect for sun? Okay, I think X0, Y0 will be perfect. So I will select when green flag clicked. Then I will go to the motion. Then I will pick up, go to X0 and Y also 0. Now let's see. Okay, now it's in the perfect center. Okay, now friends, if you want you can change which direction you want, but I will change the direction to 0. Okay, now friends, I want the sun to turn in its position. Okay, for that I will go to the controls. I will bring forever loop, then I will pick up, wait 1 second, actually I will change it to 0.2 seconds. Then I will go to the motion, then I will pick turn 15 degrees so that the sun will turn 15 degrees. See, yeah, it's working. The sun is turning 15 degrees. Now let's stop it. Now I will upload the first planet, that is Mercury. Now friends, I will upload Mercury. Here is Mercury. Now I will open it. It's importing. So friends, now I will change the Mercury size to 3%. Now friends, which position will be perfect for Mercury? So friends, I will pick when green flag click. I will go to the motion. So friends, I think the best position for Mercury will be -35 and y coordinate always 0. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now it's looking perfect. Now friends, a fun part begins. The advanced coding, that is the pen sensing. It is very tricky. Now we will select erase all, then pen down so that it makes circle. Now we will select set pen size to 1.5. So friends, if you want you can change the size to 2% too. Okay, now I will pick set pen color. Now I will select a light color. Okay, maybe okay, now this color is looking perfect. Now I I will select point in direction. I will change the direction to 0. Okay. Now I will keep it to 0 degrees. Now fun part begins. We'll go to the controls. I'll pick up forever loop. Then we will go to the motions. We will pick up 10 steps. So friends, I want the Mercury to make its orbit itself. Okay. So that any single mistake happens here, the circle will be wrong. Okay. The size. So now I will pick turn 15 degrees. I will change it to 5 degrees. Okay. Now I will go to the controls. Then I will pick up. Wait 1 second. Actually not 1 second. I will set it to 0.1 second. Now let's see. See friends, it's really making its own orbit. Yay! It's working. Okay, now if I again click on the green flag, it will erase all. Okay. Now friends, which is the second planet from the sun? That is Venus. So I will go to the upload option. Then I will bring Venus. Where are you? So I think Venus is down here. Okay, I will pick up Venus. Now it will import. Okay. Now friends, Venus is also big in size. We will change the size to 4. Okay. Now it's looking perfect. So friends, again which position will be perfect? So friends, I'll go here. I'll pick up one green flag. Click now. Again I think the best position for Venus will be -48 and Y always 0. Now let's see. See. Okay, now friends, again we will pick up the pen block option. Okay, in every planet the coding will be same. Okay, now we will select pen down. I will go here. Then always I will keep the size 1.5. Okay, this should be the permanent size. Now I will go to the motion. Oops, I think I will go to pen block again. I'll pick up set pen color. Okay, now again another light color. Now let's light it. Maybe this color is looking perfect. Now, now point in direction. Again I will keep it to 0. Okay, now I will go to the control. Then I will pick up forever loop. Then I will go to the motion. I will pick up move 10 steps. I will change it to half. Okay, 5 steps. Now I will pick up turn 15 degrees. Okay, I will change it to 6 degrees. Then I will go to the controls. Then I will pick, wait 1 second, I will change it to 0.1 second. So friends, the turn 6 degrees is the main thing. It makes the sprite to rotate. Okay, turn. Okay, this is important. Now let's test it. Okay. Yeah, it's really working. See friends, they are making the orbits themselves. Now friends, which is the third planet? Yes, it's Earth, our mother planet. Now Earth is here. I will upload it. So friends, Earth is very big in size, so we will change the size to, let me think, which size will be perfect? 4. Now which position will be perfect for Earth? So friends, I'll go to the events. I'll pick up one green flag, click. Now the best position for Earth will be -60. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, now good. Now I will again go to the pen sensing. I will pick up erase all. Then I will select pen down. Then I will select set pen size to 1.5%. Then I will select set pen color to. Now which color will be perfect for it? I will like the color. Okay. this color is suiting on it. So I will go to the motions. Then I will pick point direction 0 degrees. Okay. Now I will go to the controls. I will pick up forever loop. Then I will go to the motion. Then I will pick up move 10 steps. I will change it to 4.5, 4.5, and the main block is the turn block. Okay, now I will change it to 4.25. Now I will go to the controls. I will pick up, wait 1 second, I will change it to 0.1 second. Now let's see. Yeah, it's really working. Awesome. So friends, which is the fourth planet? Yes, it is Mars. Now we will upload Mars. Open. Now it's importing. So friends, Mars size will be 3. So friends, which position will be perfect for it? So friends, I will go here. I will pick up when green flag clicked. I will pick up go to -78. I will actually change it to -71. Okay, and the y coordinate should be always 0. Now okay, good. Now let's stop that. Then let's go to the pen option. Then I will pick up erase all. Then pen down. Then set pen size to 1.5. Now I will go here. I will pick up set pen color. I will light it. This color is looking perfect. Okay. Now I will go here. I will pick point and direction. Now I will again change it to 0 degrees. Now I will go to the controls. Then I will pick up the forever loop. Then again to the motions. I will pick up move 5 steps. Okay. 5 steps. Now the main block is again coming turn 4 degrees. Then wait seconds for. I will go here. Then I will take up 0.1 degrees seconds. Now let's see. Okay. Now friends. Now I will go here and then I will upload my sprite. That will be Jupiter. Now I will open it. Now friends, Jupiter is very big in size, so I'll change the size to 10%. Now again, which position will be perfect for it? Friends, I will go here. I will pick when green flag click. I will pick the motion. Then I will pick -98 degrees. I'll change it to 0. Then I will again change it to -94. Okay. Now let's see. Yeah, it's working. Now friends, I'll go to the pen option. I'll pick erase all, pen down, set pen size to 1.5. Then I'll pick up set pen color to. Let's again change the colors. Now I will light it. Okay, now it's looking perfect. Now I will again go to the motion block. Then I will pick point in direction. I will change it to 90, 0. Okay, oops, I said 90, it will be 0. Now friends, I will go here. I will pick up forever loop. I will go to the motions. I will pick move 10 steps. I will change it to 5. Then the most important coding is here, that I will turn it to 3 degrees. Now I will go to the control. Then I will pick 0.1 degrees. Now it's done. It's done. Now let's see. It is working or not. Yeah, it's working. Now friends, which is the sixth planet? from Sun? Yeah, it's Saturn. Okay. Now I will go here. I will upload Saturn. Now it's importing. Saturn is very big in size, so I will change it to 8. Now friends, which position will be perfect for Saturn? Now friends, I will go here to the events. I will pick when green flag click. I will go to the motion. I will pick up go to X and Y. I will change it to 0 and then I will again change it to negative 121. Now friends, I will go to the pen option. Then I will pick up eraser, pen down, set pen size to 1.5. Then I will select set pen color. Now I will go here. I will select this color and I will light it. Now this color is looking perfect. I will go here. I will pick point in 90 direction. Now I will again change it to 0 degrees. Now I will go here. I will pick up controls. I will pick up forever loop. I will go to the motion. Then I will pick move 10 steps. I will change it to 6 steps. Now the main coding block is again here. I will change it to 2.8. Now I will go to the weight. 1 second, I will pick up weight 0.1 second. Now let's see it is working or not. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Yeah, nice. It's beautiful. Now friends, I will again upload sprite. That will be, yeah, it will be Uranus. Now I am uploading Uranus. So friends, Uranus itself is big in size, so I will change it to 6. Now which position will be perfect for Uranus? I'll pick it up. So friends, I will go here. I will pick one green flag click. Now I will pick go to negative 146. I will change it to negative 144. I will go to the pen option. I will pick up erase all. Erase all. Then pen down. Set pen size to 1.5. And then I will go here and I will pick the blue, this set pen color. Okay, this color is looking perfect. Okay, it is light. Now I will go to the motions. I will pick point in 90 direction. I'll change it to 0 degrees. Now I will go to the controls. I will pick up forever loop. I will go here. I will pick up 8 steps. Okay, 8. Now the main block is here. I will change it to 3.2. Now I will go to the controls option. I will pick up weight 0.1 degrees. Now friends, let's test it. Yeah, it's working. It's working. Yes. See how it's beautiful. Now friends, the last planet is Neptune. Okay, I will upload Neptune. Now I have Neptune here. The size of Neptune is big, so I will change it to 5. Okay. Now again, which position is perfect for Neptune? Now friends, I will go to the events. I will pick up when green flag clicked. I will go here. Then I will pick negative 175. I will change it to 0. And I will change it to negative 164. Now let's see. Okay, now perfect. Now I will go to the pen block. I will pick up erase all, pen down, set pen size to 1.5, and then I will, oops, I will change it to 1.5. Now perfect. I will go here. I will pick up set pen color. Now I will again change the color. And I will do it like, yeah, this is looking perfect. Now I will go to the motions again. I will pick a point in direction. I will set it to 0. Now again I will go to the forever control. Then I will pick forever loop. I will go here motion. Then I will change it to 8.5 and then I will pick turn 15 degrees. I will change it to 3 degrees. Now I will go to the control option. Then I will pick up weight 0.1 degrees. Okay, now perfect. Now let's see. Are you all ready? Yeah, it's working. Now friends, now I will go to the backdrops. Now friends, I don't need the XY grid, so I will delete it. Now friends, now I will show you how it is. Wow, it's looking perfect. It's making its own orbits, friends, using the pen sense block. See how beautiful is it? It is. Now friends, I will add something else. Which or which belt is in between Mars and Jupiter? Yeah, it's the asteroid belt. Now we are going to create the asteroid again. Okay. Now we will select asteroid. Okay, here is the asteroid. I will change its size to 4. Okay, now asteroid belt is located in between the Mars and Jupiter's orbit. Okay, now let's start the coding. When green flag click, then I will go here, controls, I will pick up forever loop. Then I will select something else that will be the yet clone of myself. Then again to the controls, I will pick, wait 1 second, I will change it to 0.2 seconds. Okay. Now the tricky part begins. Now I will pick up go to X73. Now I will go to the operators. I will pick this thing. Again I will duplicate it. Now I will change it to negative 95 to positive 95. Now I will change here negative 70 to positive 70. Now friends, the coding is not over yet. Okay, I will change it to 70. Now the coding is not over yet, friends. I will go here. I will pick up when I start as a clone. It is the main block. Okay. Now I will go here to the motions. I will pick sun. Okay, go to sun. Now turn 15 degrees. I will change it to 25 degrees. This animation will be perfect and you will be very surprised by this. Okay, 0.2 degrees. Wait a minute. I think I am missing one block. Okay, now I will pick move. Okay, move 10 steps. Oops, I will pick it here and then I will keep it here. Now again we will go to the operators. I will pick random. Okay, from negative 82 positive 92. Oops, I'll change it to 80 and then here 92. Okay, now let's see. See, it's directly in the middle of Jupiter and Mars. Okay, it's not going outside and neither it's not touching the orbits. Okay, now one more twist I will add it, that will be stars. Okay, I'll go here. Actually no, I will not upload it this time. I will create it. Okay. Books. I will go here. I will pick paint option. Now friends, I will convert it to bitmap. Now I will zoom it very big. Okay. Now I will go here. I will change the color to white. Now I will go here. I will pick this square. Now I will make a square. Now friends, I will maximize it. Okay. Now friends, here is a square. I will again decrease it. Okay, I think this size is looking perfect. Okay. Now I will go to the coding. Now the fun part begins. Okay. I will go here. I will go to the control option. I will pick up forever loop. Okay. Wait a minute. Something is missing here. That is, I think we don't need that. So I will not put that thing. Okay. Now I will go here. Now same like the asteroid belt. This is going to be almost the same but different. Now I will go to motion. I will pick go to X and Y. Now I will go to the operators and I'll pick. I will take pick random here in the both. I will stop it. I will change it to 192 250. Okay, and here I will change it to 192 250. Now friends, I will go to the controls option. Then I will pick when I start as a clone. I will pick forever loop. Then I will go to the motions. I will pick go to sun. Okay, go to sun. And then I will pick turn 15 degrees. I will change it to 25 degrees. Now I will pick move steps. I'll go here. I'll choose pick random from 0 to 300. Okay. Now friends, I will go here control. I will pick wait 1 second. I'll change it to 0.1 second. Okay. Now let's maximize it and now let's see. Wow, it's looking so amazing, right friends? Now friends, I will tell you. Now I'm going to name. Okay. Now I will add a twist. Okay. Now I will go here. I will paint my own sprite. I will go to the vector mode. Now I will change the color to which color you want. You can pick it up, but I like green color. Okay. Now I will write here our solar system. Okay. This is going to be the starting point. Okay. Now I will go here. I will pick up select mode. Okay. Now I will make it little bit broad. Now I will keep it here down. Okay. Little bit down here. Okay. Now done. Now friends, it will not stay forever. Okay, I will go here. I will pick when green flag click. I will pick show option. I will keep it here. I will pick wait 1 second and then I will go here motions. I will pick up hide. Okay, now let's see. Maximize it. Now let's see. Now now see it's how beautiful it is. Okay, this is the magic of advanced codings. Okay, So friends, this was today's video. I hope you like it. Please hit the like and subscribe button. It really motivates me to make this amazing videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will never miss any this brand new videos. Hold on, take care. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe and stay connected. Goodbye.